Good afternoon, student. Okay, today we are going to start new chapter, exponential equation. Exponential equation means we have to solve this. Yes. Okay. Solve. It has short question as well as long question. First, we are going to start short question. There is two types of short question: model 1 and model 2. Exponential equation means we have to find the value of x or y. Okay, short on short question. Model 1. Model 1 A. What? 3 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 9 to the power 2x minus 1. Okay, we have already studied that. In indices, the base should be equal. Yes, base should be equal for doing any operation in that equation. Right? यहाँ सबैभन्दा पहिला त base equal हुनु पर्यो. Look there, in this, their base is 3, there is base is 9, not equal base, so we have to make the base equal. Okay, base equal गर्न सानोलाई ठुलो बनाउन सकिन्न, ठुलोलाई सानो बनाउनु पर्यो. यसलाई 3 1 what? 2x plus 1. 9 means what? 3 1 square whole power what? 2x minus 1. Yes, these 3 and 3 cancel. What is remaining there? 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the 4x minus 2 on the 2. Okay, base should be equal. If base is equal, then we can cut this. Then bring all the x in front side. 2x minus 4x is equal to minus 2 plus 1 go there, minus 1. Minus 2x is equal to minus 3, minus minus cancel. X is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, answer is there wrong, or 2 by 3. Then B1. 2 to the power x minus 4 is equal to 4 to the power x minus 6. Okay, there is also the base is not equal. So first of all, we have to make the base equal. What we have to do there? There is base 2, there is 4. 4 can be factorized this. Yes, 2 लाई factor गर्न सकिन्न. 2 to the power x minus 4. 4 means what? 2 1 square, then whole power x minus 6. 2 to the power x minus 4 is equal to 2 to the power, this multiplied 2x minus 12, 6 to the 12. 2 and 2 cancel. X minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 12. X plus 2x come there, minus 2x is equal to minus 12, minus 4 go there, plus 4. That what? Minus x is equal to minus 8. Minus minus cancel, therefore x is equal to 8. Okay, all the question looks same. You have to make the base same. Yes. Okay, then G. 25 1 x plus 3 is equal to 1 upon 0.04. Yes, 25 x to the power 3 is equal to 1 upon 0.04. Okay, first of all, divide this. 25 to the power x plus 3 is equal to, this divides 1, what? 25. Yes, 1 is divided by 0.04, it comes 25. Then 25 base is same. If there is no power, then we can assume there 1. So 25 cancel, divide this as we are divided. 1 is this, this cancel, then what remaining? X plus 3 is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 plus 3 go back side minus 3 x is equal to -2. This answer. Okay. Then go to question number I. 3 into 81 to the power x is equal to 9 to the power x plus 4. Okay, look there. Is their base same? No. One is 3, another is 81, another is 9. So we have to make the base same. सबैले एउटै base बनाउने, सबैले 3 बनाउँदैछ है. 3 को 3. 81 को हामीले टुक्रा गर्दा फेरि फ्याक्टर 3 27 जा 3 9 जा 3 3 1 2 3 4. 81 means what? 3 to the power 4 and whole power what? X. 81 means 3 to the power 4 whole power x. 9 means what? 3 1 square then whole power what? X plus 4. 3 there is no power, so 1 into 3 to the power this and this multiply 4x is equal to 3 to the power multiply 2x plus 2 4s are 8. In this multiplication power should be plus. Among these two, one is 3, then this and this plus. 1 plus 4x is equal to 3 to the power what? 2x plus 8. 3 and 3 cancel. What is remaining? 1 plus 4x is equal to 2x plus 8. X bring front side. 4x plus 2x come there minus 2x is equal to 8 plus 1 go there minus 1. Then what? 2x is equal to 7. Therefore x is equal to 7 by 2. That's the answer. X is equal to 7 by 2. Next, go to question number J. 2 upon 3 to the power x is equal to 27 upon 8. Okay, I have already told that the base should be equal. Is their base equal? No. There is one side 2 upon 3, another side there is what? 27 upon 8. So we have to make this 2 upon 3 to the power x. 27 means what? 3 1 cube and 8 means 2 1 cube. Yes, 27 को टुक्रा 3 1 cube, 8 को 2 1 cube. 2 upon 3 to the power x. दुवैको क्यूब भएकोले 3 upon 2 then whole power cube. Equal छ यहाँ 2 upon 3 छ यहाँ 3 upon not equal. So we must make equal. यसलाई इक्वल गर्नु पर्यो. 2 upon 3 to the power x. यो 2 upon 3 3 को रिभर्स छ. यसलाई उल्टो बनाउँदा फेरि प्लस 3 को माइनस 3 साइन चेन्ज हुन्छ. 3 upon 2 को के हो? 2 upon 3 to the power प्लस 3 थियो भने माइनस 3. तलको माथि माथिको तल गरे साइन शुड बी चेन्ज. 2 upon 3 cancel. Therefore x is equal to minus 3. Okay. Short question 1, model 1. Only we have to make the base same. Right? Base हामीले एउटै सेम बनाउनु पर्ने मात्रै छ. Nothing there. Okay, I have done some question. Okay, remaining question you have to try from this short question model 1. Now we are going to model 2-1. Model 2 is very important. Model 1 मा खाली हामीले बेस एउटै ग्राउन्ड थियो भने अब मोडल 2 मा हामी गर्दैछौँ. मोडल 2 एक्सपोनेन्शियल इक्वेसन को मोडल 2. Model 2 is very important. Look this. Model 2 1a 3 to the power x plus 1 plus 3 to the power x is equal to 108. बीचमा प्लस या माइनस भयो भने त्यो क्वेशन डिफरेन्स बीचमा इन्टु अथवा डिवाइड भयो भने हामी डाइरेक्ट के छ इन्टुमा के गर्ने पावर प्लस गर्ने डिभाइडमा पावर के छ माइनस गर्ने है भनेका छौँ तर बीचमा प्लस या माइनस भयो भने वी शुड टेक कमन लिने अस्तिको सर्ट क्वेसन जस्तै 3 टू दी पावर x 3 टू दी पावर x इज कमन यहाँ r लेख्ने इक्वल टु यहाँ छ भने r 3 टू दी पावर x 3 टू दी पावर x मध्ये 3 टू दी पावर x कमन 3 टू दी पावर x कमन व्हाट इज रिमेनिङ 3 टू दी पावर 1 plus 3 to the power x is common, nothing is remaining 1 is equal to 108. That what? 3 to the power x. 3 to the power 1 means 3 plus 1 1 is equal to 108. Okay. 3 to the power x. 3 and 1. How much? 4. 4 is equal to 108. Okay, always this bracket goes below this, yes. 3 to the power x is equal to what? 100 upon 4. Divide this. 3 to the power x is equal to 108 is divided by 4. 100 divided by what? 27. 3 to the power x. 27 make factor. There 3 haven't 3 on 27 means what? 3 1 cube. 3 3 cancel. Therefore x is equal to 3. Very important question है तो प्राय जस्तो अघि मोडल 1 भन्दा मोडल 2 एक्जाम मा धेरै आउने गर्छ we have to take common there then b 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 10 upon 3. Common this 3 to the power x 3 to the power x common 3 to the power x is common. What is remaining? 3 to the power x gone, nothing is remaining 1 plus 3 to the power x gone, what is remaining? 3 to the power plus 2. If minus then you have to write plus 2, there is not necessary. Yes, 3 to the power 2 you have to take common. 3 to the power x 1 plus 3 1 square means what? 9 is equal to 10 upon 3. 3 to the power x 10 9 1 what? 10 is equal to 10 upon 3. I have told that this bracket goes below this, yes, and what? 3 to the power x is equal to 10 upon what? 10 into 3. 10 and 10 cancel. 3 to the power x is equal to 1 upon 3. यो तलको 3 र माथिको 3 काट्न पाइन्न है यहाँ के पनि पावर छैन भने 1 मानिन्छ दिस अब काट्नको लागि माथि ल्याउनु पर्यो 3 to the power x we have to take this above, yes. 3 to the power plus 1 के माथि ल्याउँदा 3 to the power minus 1 3 3 cancel, therefore x is equal to what? minus 1. That's answer. Only you have to take common, yes, nothing there, only you have to take common there. Look there, another question G. 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 3 to the power x is equal to 54. Sometimes there is minus also, yes. Okay, only take common. 3 to the power x, 3 to the power, how much common? 3 to the power x is common. 3 to the power x common. What is remaining? 3 to the power 1. 3 to the power x is common, so 1 is equal to 54. Then what? 3 to the power x. 3 to the power 1 is 3 minus 1 is equal to 54. 3 to the power x. 3 minus 1 what? 2 is equal to 54. Always this goes below this. 3 to the power x is equal to 54 upon 2. 3 to the power x. 54 is divided by 2 what? 27. 3 to the power x. 27 means what? 3 1 cube. Cube and cube cancel. Therefore x is equal to 3. Only you have to take common, yes. Sometimes, okay, there may be minus power also. You have to be careful. If I have already told in long question as well. If there is minus power, then you have to took below. Yes. Okay. Look there as 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 5. Take common 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x. What may be common? 2 to the power x. 2 to the power x is common, so 1 plus 2 to the power x gone. 2 to the power x gone. What is remaining? 2 square is equal to 5. 2 to the power x 1. 2 square what? 4 is equal to 5. Then 2 to the power x 1 plus 4 what? 5. 5 is equal to 5. This bracket goes below. 2 to the power x is equal to 5 upon 5. 5 1s are 5. 2 to the power x is equal to 1. Now 1 भनेको 2 को power कति? We have studied in long question. 1 means what? कुनै पनि चीजको पावर के छ 0. Yes, 1 भ्यालु हुनु भनेको कुनै पनि चीजको पावर 0. हामीलाई अगाडि चाहिँ के चाहिएको छ? 1 means जतिको पावर 0. अगाडि 2 चाहिएको छ. 2 1 0. Yes is equal to 2. That's answer. Now we are going to do minus power. अहिलेसम्म हामीले प्लस पावर भएको गरेका छौं. अब यहाँ माइनस पावर भएको पनि छ. माइनस पावर भएको क्वेशन कसरी गर्ने भन्ने कुरा छ. लुक देयर क्वेशन नम्बर के देखि माइनस पावर छ. 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. There may be minus power as well. Yes, minus power पनि हुन सक्छ. माइनस पावर आयो भने what we have to do भन्ने कुरा छ. ल 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x is common. 2 to the power x is common. 2 to the power x, what is remaining? 2 to the power 1, 1 minus 2 to the power x then what? 2 to the power plus 2 भएको भए लेख्नु पर्छ. minus 2 छ. minus power, so you have to write minus 2 is equal to 6. 2 to the power x 1 को 1 minus 2 to the power minus 2 छ. 2 1 square means 4 हो. 2 को पावर प्लस 2 भएको 4 हुन्थ्यो. माइनस भयो. 2 को स्क्वायर भनेको 4 हो. तर माइनस पावर 4 लेख्दैन. 1 upon 4 माइनस पावर हुन्थ्यो अपन लेख्नु पर्छ. is equal to 6. जहाँ पनि माइनस पावर भयो नि you have to write 1 upon है. ल 2 to the power x. अब यसको पछि एलसीएम लिनु पर्यो. व्हाट इज एलसीएम? 4. 4 1 जा 4 minus 1 is equal to 6. 2 to the power x 4 minus 1 means what? 3 upon 4 is equal to 6. Always this bracket goes below this. 2 to the power x is equal to what? 6 upon 3 by 4. Yes, this reverse. 2 to the power x is equal to what? 6 into 3 by 4 reverse. कति हुन्छ? 4 upon 3. 3 2 is 6. I am doing here. 2 to the power x is equal to 4 2 is 8. जहिले पनि यो माइनस पावर भएपछि तल ल्याउनु पर्छ. एलसीएम दिने तल गयो. 3 upon 4 धेरै अपन पछि रिभर्स हुन्छ. 3 upon 4 रिभर्स हुँदा 4 upon 3 3 2 is 6 2 4 is 8. 2 to the power x 8 means what? 2 1 cube. अगाडि पछाडिको बेस चाहिँ हुनु पर्यो. 2 into cancel x is equal to 3. Okay, minus power also can be asked. है ख्याल गर्ने. माइनस पावर हुने बित्तिकै प्लस पावरमा हामीलाई त्यति मतलब हुन्न. माइनस पावर हुने बित्तिकै we have to put upon मा राख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. Okay, look there. O number 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 3. Take common there. What is common? 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x. Then 2 to the power x is common. 2 to the power x gone. What is remaining? 2 to the power 1, not power 1, minus 1. 2 to the power minus 1. Minus 1 लेख्नु पर्यो. 2 to the power x is gone. What is remaining? 1 is equal to 3. 2 to the power x. 2 to the power 1 means what? 2 को power minus 1 भएपछि त 2 को power 1 मात्रै भएको त 2 हुन्थ्यो. minus 1 भने चाहिँ 1 upon 2. माइनस पावर अपन मा लेख्ने. प्लस 1. 2 to the power 1 भनेको 2 हो तर माइनस पावर भनेको 1 upon 2 is equal to 3. 2 to the power x. What is LCM? 2. 2 र 2 मिल्यो 1 plus 2 1 is 2 is equal to 3. 2 to the power x, this implies 3 upon 2 plus is equal to 3. This goes below this. 2 to the power x is equal to 3 whole 3 by 2. Yes. Then 2 to the power x is equal to 3 into 3 upon 2 reverse भयो 2 upon 3. 3 and 3 cancel. 2 to the power x is equal to what? 2 to the power 1. Keep it 1. 2 and 2 cancel. X is equal to 1. ओके माइनस पावर भयो भने हामीले अपरमा लगेर प्लस गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ ल कहिलेकाहीँ बेस नमिल्ने क्वेसन पनि आउन सक्छ लुक देयर एनदर आई एम डुइङ दिस क्वेसन नम्बर पी ल बेस सेम नभएको क्वेसन पनि हुन सक्छ 2 to the power x plus 1 into 3 to the power x plus 4 is equal to 18. र बीचमा प्लस माइनस त छैन प्लस माइनस नभइकन कमन आउँदैन बीचमा इन्टु छ तर पनि इन्टु पनि गर्न सक्दैनौ किन बेस इज डिफरेन्ट यहाँ बेस गर्दा 2 3 छ सेम बेस भएको भए के हुन्थ्यो मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा पावर हुन्थ्यो यहाँ बेस इज डिफरेन्ट छ डिफरेन्ट बेसमा वी कान्ट डु यसलाई अब हामीले टुक्रा गर्ने बाहेक अर्को उपाय छैन 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power x into what 3 to the power 4 is equal to 18. Yes. 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 1 means what 2 3 to the power what x into 3 to the power 4 तीनलाई 4 चोटी मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने 81 is equal to 18. This and this digit goes below. Yes, what is remaining there 2 to the power x into 3 to the power x is equal to 18 upon 2 into 81. Yes, got this 2 9s are yes 2 9s are and 9 9s. There is something mistake, sorry. Check, keep this there 3 2 to the power 3 means what 2 to the power 3 means 8, sorry 8. This goes 18 upon okay correct your answer question there should be 3 8 into what 81. Yes, 9 2s are 18 9 9s are 81. Then 2 1s are 2 2 4s are 8. What there 2 to the power x into 3 to the power x is equal to 1 upon 9 4s are 36. Yes, 9 4 यो दुवैको पावर एउटै भएपछि हामी के छ 2 into 3 to the power x is equal to 1 upon 36 means 6 1 square. Yes, then 2 3 is 6 to the power x काट्नको लागि माथि ल्याउनु पर्यो 6 to the power plus 2 थियो माथि ल्याउँदा फेरि minus 2 6 x 6 cancel therefore x is equal to minus 2. That's answer. क्वेसन मिस्टेक थियो है यहाँ प्लस 3 गर्नु पर्यो क्वेसनमा मिस्टेक छ ओके फ्रम दिस एक्सपोन्टेनियस इक्वेसन कहिलेकाहीँ बेस मिलेन भने यसरी हामीले गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ है त्यहाँ बेस एउटामा 2 थियो अर्कोमा 3 थियो सेम बेस नभएकोले वी क्यान डु दिस वे एनदर यस्तै किसिमको क्वेसन छ आर नम्बर लुक दियर 2 to the power 3x minus 5 a to the power x minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power x minus 2 a to the power 1 minus x. यसमा पनि बेस फरक छ 2 छ a छ है बीचमा इन्टु हो के भन्छ इन्टु ल 2 लाई 2 को तल a लाई a को तल लैजाउँ त व्हाट इज 2 to the power what 3x minus 5 upon 2 to the power x minus 2 into a to the power x minus 2 upon a to the power what 1 minus x is equal to nothing remaining so 1 2 को तल 2 a को तल a 2 ले 2 लाई डिवाइड a ले a लाई डिवाइड गर्ने दुईटा 2 मध्ये एउटा 2 व्हाट इज देयर 3x minus 5 प्लस एक्स गो दियर माइनस एक्स माइनस 2 गो प्लस 2 एले एलाई डिवाइड दुईटा ए मध्ये एउटा ए माथि कति छ एक्स माइनस 2 प्लस 1 गो दियर माइनस 1 प्लस माइनस एक्स गो दियर प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1. What is this and this minus this and this minus 2 to the power 3x minus x what 2x and 5 plus 2 minus 3 into a to the power x what 2x 2 and 1 minus 3 is equal to 1. Yes, ल दुईटैको पावर अगेन जस्तै हेर्नु दुईटैको पावर एउटै 3 होल पावर दुईटैको पावर सेम छ सो वी क्यान राइट 2 into a होल पावर दुवैको भएकोले 2x minus 3 is equal to 1. What 2 and a मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा 2a को पावर कति 2x minus 3 यहाँ 1 छ 1 भनेको त जसको पावर पनि 0 हो नि त यहाँ 2a भएकोले 1 means what 2a को पावर 0 2a क्यान्सल 1 भनेको भ्यालु 1 भनेको कुनै पनि चिजको पावर 0 जसको चाहिएको छ त्यसको पावर वी क्यान राइट 0. Then what is there 2a is cancel 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 2x is equal to 3 x is equal to 3 by 2 answer. Okay, third question, there is only two model. Model 1, we make same base, and model 2, we have to take common. Yes, if there is same base, we can take common. If there is different base, we have to what factorize this. Same base भएपछि common लिने, same base नभएपछि तीनटा question छ same base नभएको P, Q and R. P and R I have done, then Q you have to try. In model 2, question number A to I there is plus power भएको छ र K देखि O सम्म there is minus power. Minus power भएपछि 1 अपन ल्याउनु पर्छ भन्ने कुरा नै इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो. Okay, keep this mark for this third question. Okay, thank you.